it's your girl Tanya, sending you all the love, peace, harmony, joy, and balance you can even imagine, honey. Take it, it's for you. Go ahead and do something with it today. Making one of my favorite things today, and that is overnight oats. I don't know if you guys have heard of it or not, but honey, if you are in a rush in the morning or you just want something really nutritious and good for you to start your day off, this is what you want to do. Here I have my fruits chopped up already. I have some oats. You just need plain oats. You don't want to buy oatmeal with seasoning already in it. I mean, you can, but I just normally buy the regular raw oats. I have my milk here and some maple syrup. I also have vanilla extract and a little bit of sea moss. If you do not know how to make sea moss, go and check out my other video where I show you exactly how to make sea moss and what it's actually good for. I will leave a link in the description for you. All right, let's get started, guys. We are gonna start with these what in the world? We are gonna start with these rolled oats. Okay, I have my measuring tool right here, and I'm just going to put a half a cup of these oats. Okay, so once you have completed this, all you need to do is put the lid on, stick it in the fridge overnight, and in the morning, get up and eat something delectable, healthy, and fun. If you like this video, don't be shy. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you are not already a subscriber, you know what to do. Go on and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know every time I bring a video. All right, you guys continue to be amazing. And don't forget to live, love, laugh, and create. And until the next time, later.